WGNO ABC in Louisiana. 4 Angola officers arrested due to alleged use of excessive force. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. West Feliciana Parish Sheriff's deputies booked 4 Louisiana State Penitentiary corrections officers Monday with malfeasance in office for their part in the alleged use of excessive force on an inmate and for the alleged cover-up. The alleged incident occurred on April 9th at the prison while the inmate was being moved to a disciplinary unit while in the custody of Major Carla Williams, Captain Enrico George, Captain Roy J. Favor III, and Master Sergeant Jeffrey Hall. While receiving treatment for his minor injuries, the inmate notified medical staff of what happened, and medical staff alerted Louisiana State Penitentiary's Investigations Division. Prison investigators immediately notified the West Feliciana Parish Sheriff's Office and the FBI and placed these corrections officers on administrative leave. More charges are pending. So it's not just the police officers who are being held to accountable. It is not just them, it's also the corrections officers, and I'm glad to see it.